Patrick here with Dixie RV Doctor. Just wanted to give you a final update on this Airstream van that we redid all the electrical system on. So I'm just going to do a quick rundown, show you how everything works and kind of what's going on with this rig. So right now you can tell everything's shut down. So on this one right here, you turn on your main disconnect switch and everything will power on. So these are all the customers' just manuals and stuff like that for all the equipment that we installed. Down underneath this seat right over here is where we put the Victrion inverter, and now everything that is powered by the power center underneath it can be run off of the battery. So we're going to take a look over here to our left, and I guess we got to wait for the screen to wake up a little bit. Victrion's booting up. We'll show you how the power system works. So we installed the Victrion Chill Cube air conditioner right here at the top, which is super awesome. It's super efficient on the power usage, does a really good job of cooling. It's an 18,000 BTU unit. On this one right here, we've got a solar charge controller that we installed, and down underneath the back corner over here underneath the chassis is where we mounted the 460 amp hour Epic lithium battery that has its own Bluetooth and heated pads built into it. So we can see a little bit what's going on over here with the Victrion system. So right now we're sitting about 95% on our batteries, and we're in the shade, so we got a little bit of solar that's coming through from the top to top off the batteries. But what's awesome is because everything is hooked up to the inverter charger, which is right here, I don't have to turn on the generator to turn on the air conditioner. So we'll let that guy fire up here. Turn our fan speed down just a little bit, just so it's not quite as noisy. In the video it might look like the lights are flashing, but that's just the camera picking that up. They're not flashing at all. Okay, what's awesome here is as this thing's on, it's only drawing about 500 watts, which is incredible. It's going to ramp up a little bit when it first gets started. You can control this air conditioner with this remote right here, so when they get this back area all laid down as a bed, they don't have to run the controls on the ceiling. They can just have that remote right by them and then be able to control the AC with the remote as well. One of the other things that we did was swapped out their standard radio for this Alpine Halo 11, which is pretty epic. You can see a massive screen right there. What that screen is actually showing is right up here we got a dash cam that's always recording in case there's any accidents or anything like that. And on top of that, you got your microphone and GPS that are up here in the corner. So you can hook up your phone and do a whole bunch of stuff with it. You can even have an external HDMI that you can hook up to the screen as well. So it's a pretty awesome setup for everything that it can do. All right. So now this entire rig is able to run off the batteries, and as you're driving down the road, it will also charge the batteries. And you got solar charging the batteries. Got the generator that can turn on as a backup and also run everything off. So this was a pretty fun conversion. Excited for the customer to pick it up.